In Summer's Golden Rule, we highlighted that the firm will be watching you closely this summer. The firm will look to determine whether you're collaborative and collegial and whether you can get along with everyone at the firm. But that's not all. Your firm also wants to know whether you can interact with clients on social occasions without embarrassing the firm. That's why mastering the social side of summer is so important. So in this lesson, we'll give you 8 tips. These tips will help you avoid the social blunders that cause too many summer associates to be remembered at their firms for years afterward, for all the wrong reasons. Here's our first tip. Enthusiastically attend as many of your firm's summer social events as you can. Think of them as part of your job. Don't make excuses to avoid attending. Instead, go along and make a meaningful appearance, even if you end up leaving early.